Presenting the HP Laserjet M1005 Multifunction Monochrome Laser Printer. The printer is ideal for offices and homes with high volume printing requirements of more than 300 prints per month at fast speeds. The printer uses Laserjet technology, which provides fast prints at low cost. This multifunctional printer can perform print, scan and copy functions. It can only print in black and white. Connect to the printer with USB. You get a high printing speed of up to 14 black and white pages per minute. This printer supports multiple paper sizes to help you with your various printing needs. Save cost on your print requirements. Print using original HP toner at a cost of just 1.4 rupees for black and white prints. Compatible laser toner is the HP 12A Black Original Laserjet Toner cartridge. One cartridge comes free with this printer. Use the 150-sheet input tray and a 10-sheet priority input tray to quickly print multiple pages. The printer features a 2-inch LCD display which makes providing commands easy. Integrated with optical character recognition software, you can easily convert documents into digital formats for archiving and editing. This printer comes with 1000-page HP Black Print cartridge, 150-sheet input tray, control panel overlay, USB cable, output bin support, power cord, getting started guide, documentation CDs and support flyer. This product comes with 1-year brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods, or avail no-cost EMI where available. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.